Combining innovation and functionality, Snow Joe provides an easy, convenient, and cordless solution to get snow out of your way this winter. Powered by Snow Joe's exclusive Ion Plus 24-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery system, 24V SS11XR delivers up to 27 minutes of battery runtime to quickly clear snow from your porch, patio, driveway, and deck, minus the hassle and headaches or tangled cords. The light choice is the right choice with Snow Joe. Weighing less than 10 pounds, 24V SS11XR shreds up to 2,025 pounds of snow per charge, while the dual-handle design eliminates the need to bend and strain, maximizing user comfort and ease of use. Equipped with a heavy-duty 2-blade paddle auger, Snow Joe throws snow up to 20 feet away, clearing 11-inch wide by 7-inch deep path with each pass. And the durable scraper blade at the base of the unit lets you clear to the ground without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. And when the work's done, simply plug the battery pack in again so it's recharged and ready for the next snowfall for the ultimate and cord-free convenience. So when it comes to snow, go with Joe.